Hello, welcome Guru Team Services. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can add chatbots widgets in your Wix website or WordPress or any website you have. So you can see this red icon. If you go on or hover on it or click on it, you will see two social chatbots widgets. One is WhatsApp, second is Telegram. And if you click on WhatsApp, you can see this is redirecting to the uh, client WhatsApp number. If we click on Telegram, it will also redirect us to Telegram. And if your visitor want to talk with you or want to contact with you, then he can easily contact you through these widgets. It also make your website more user friendly. So how we can add these in the Wix website? Yeah, so well we will add these widgets in your Wix website. First of all, I will go to my Wix websites, and here you can see this website. Click on the select website. After selecting website, we will go to the settings section. After going into settings section, you will scroll down and find custom code. You can see this code. We have put this code in the body section, this snippet code, and this is in the startup body. So we will paste it there. Or if you want to add your own code, or you have these widgets codes which is lifetime free, then you can click on the add code, put or paste here your code, and click you can also rename there and also show you on all pages, or you can select load code on each new page, or it will load at once. So after selecting, you can apply, and that's all. You will save it, and this code will be available on your website. If you want to get a code for your WhatsApp and Telegram, then you can contact us uh, from the description. We have also wrote down the information, contact information, so you can easily contact us. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.